Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin, and it is pouring right now. I am in Nerul, and I just wanted to show you this area because just after the bridge, when you skip the left turn for Lazy Goose, you will get into this area. This area is near the LPK waterfront, and even here as well, you'll find many places for accommodation. There's some car and bike rental place here, and a huge truck that's in front of me, water tanker. So yeah, just at the right moment I let it go, and there's another one that is coming. Wow. So he's giving me way. Let's just go from here. Wow, the feeling of riding in the rains is something else, guys. It's so damn fun. Okay, where do I go from here? Left, right? Let me just take this right here and show you another area where you can find a lot of it's a village, I would say. I'm not sure if they have a lot of homestays or they have places where you can rent bikes or cars, but yeah, obviously anywhere you go within a radius of like 1 kilometer or something, you will definitely find such places. Okay, there was a left turn here. I guess I had to take that one. Let me just turn and take this right turn here. Okay, this right turn will take us towards Burger Factory. About Burger Factory, guys, this is my personal opinion. Okay, I don't know. I personally like the Burger Factory in Anjuna. When we ordered from the Burger Factory in Nerul, I didn't like it as much. I don't know what your opinion is, but if you have experienced something like this, do let me know in the comments. Okay, this looks like some private property. I don't know where this road will take us. Let's just take this road. Road is not very good because of the monsoons, but I do know that it might connect us to a village ahead of us, because then from this village we can head towards the church, and then that area will connect us towards Coco Beach. Where am I going? Is this the road? The road is bad here. That's the only problem. No, I guess, guys, we have hit a dead end. Let me just go out on the main road and just look for the left ahead. Yes, I found the left turn, guys. So just after the Nerul bridge, on the right, it's the first right that you need to take. Alright, now this will take us towards a village here. Look at this on the left here. All water is collected, and I see that they have put some green boards here. I really hope that there is not another construction that is going to come up here, but I think there might be. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. I don't know if this is a pond or a lake or what. Not a lake, obviously. Looks like because of the monsoons the water is collected there. Where is the left turn? Yeah, this is the left turn, I guess. So as you can see, we've come towards a village area where many locals live. Very nice, colorful little houses. Yes, this is the road. Yeah. Now this road will take us towards the church, and then from there on we can go towards Coco Beach. Should we go towards Coco Beach? Let's see. If I remember the way, let's do that, because it's been a while since I went there. And those of you who are interested in dolphin trips, guys, Coco Beach is a fantastic place for dolphin trips. Yeah, the beach itself is not as scenic as any other beaches that you would find in Goa, like Morjim, Mandrem or Kandolim or whatever, but The good thing is that if you go there early mornings, we have made a video by the way, and you'll find the contact number and everything. If you go there early morning, you will spot so many dolphins, and there was a huge one that even leaped out of the water right, I would say like 30 or 40 meters ahead of us, and that was such a pretty sight. And then there are the little ones that pop out of the water as well, so it's really worth it. And I think we paid what, 300 rupees or something for per person. I don't remember the rates, I mentioned it in the description, but the deal itself was the deal, the experience, everything overall I would say was very good. I really enjoyed it, so I highly recommend that. Alright, so we have like cows here, fields here. Where am I? Where am I? No problem wherever I am. The ride is just perfect. It's cool and it stopped raining, but it is drizzling a little bit, but the weather is perfect. Again fields here. Where will this road take us? Is this the road that goes towards Coco Beach? Okay, anyway, let's just keep riding. I think this is the road to Coco Beach, I'm not sure. Let's just go ahead and find out. It's been a long time since I came here, but like I said guys, do check the video of the dolphin trip. It was really worth it. Okay, this is a temple here, Sri Shanta Durga. This will take us towards the temple. No, let's go from here. Let's go straight from here. And as I mentioned in my videos guys, even though I've been here like so many years, I still find places that I've never been to before, and I am not sure if I've been to this area before, but just look at how pretty it is. Fields on both the sides, left and right, greenery, very clean area. Just realized my left indicator was on, I put it off, but look at this guys, wow, it's just stunning. I really hope I have not entered someone's private property. I'm expecting to hit a dead end somewhere ahead, but what a beautiful area this is. Where are we? I have no idea where we are. Kedar J. Nayak, Kadamba Jetty. Okay, there's a jetty there. Which village is this guys? Again we are going to hit a very narrow lane. कोको बीचला लागून रोड त्या वाटे ना हिंगासान होतो. थँक यू. Okay, so the gentleman there, he mentioned that I can go towards Coco Beach from here, but the lane is very narrow guys, and my only fear when I come towards such places is dogs. We don't want any dogs chasing us right now, because I cannot even go very fast through these lanes. But this is right next to a river guys. This is the Nerul river here on the left. On the left here is the Nerul river. It's crazy, these guys are living just next to the river. And the only thing that I can think of is if I was staying there, I would wake up and the first thing I would do is try catch some fish for lunch. Wow, what a place, what a place. I was not at all expecting this. Although he said that I can go to Coco Beach from that road behind, but I didn't want to risk it because the road was very narrow. Okay, let's just get out of this place and see where we can go next. Yes, I remember this road because of the scenery. Again greenery on both the sides, so we were on the right side there, and that's where I ended up getting into the village. But yes, I knew there is a river next to the village, and that river will lead us towards Coco Beach, so I ended up finding this road. And yes, if I go straight from here, we are going to reach Coco Beach. Wow, I love this stretch, guys. This is like, you know, this is like something from a postcard. And there's a huge Brahmini kite that was flying above me. I hope you got to see that. But what a place, what a place. Doggy men here again on the wall. I don't know, nowadays the doggy men are climbing up walls of the properties. And look at this, cows in the fields. Perfect, guys, perfect. You must be wondering, why is this guy getting excited looking at fields and cows and dogs and nature. It's because, guys, I have been born and brought up in a city, and I just hate it. I'm sorry to say that I just hate the city, but I love nature. And where have we come? Wow. Yes, this is a part of Coco Beach, and I'll tell you what, guys. You know what is in my mind. So there was a village there. That's where I came from. Is this a good fishing spot? I'll have to come and test this place. But yeah, I like it because there's nobody here to disturb me. But they have put nets all around, so I don't know if I will be able to catch something. But it's worth trying. So it's just next to Coco Beach. Okay, let's go towards Coco Beach. Nice. Look at these coconut trees. So yeah, the road here for two-wheelers not very good. It's okay. The sand is become hard because of the rains. Look at the coconut trees, guys. These are like really tall coconut trees over here. So many. Oh, and I almost missed my balance. The sand is loose here. Be careful, guys, if you are on your two-wheeler. And I don't think I can take my bike in there. And here we are. This is Coco Beach. So once you are here during the season time, you'll get your dolphin trip boats right here, and then they take you deep somewhere out there. And he took us all the way towards Kandolim side, where you can see the Diamond Merchants bungalow. But it was a really good experience. I forgot the name of the boat operator, but please check that video. It is there in our channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this one as well. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.